Hi, I'm Alex from Novablog, and today we're gonna look into how to integrate MyAlgo wallet into a no-code application without a single line of code. So I suppose by now you know what Bubble is and you have already an account and you have created your first application. This is a blank application, nothing is here. First thing we have to do is go to plugins and click on Add Plugins button. Here you can see I already have Algorand MyAlgo, but you just look for MyAlgo and install it. It is paid, it is a paid plugin that costs $2 per month or $15 once. If you are not sure about it, you can do a subscription, try it, test it, and if you don't like it, you can just unsubscribe anytime. So let's get back to work. After installation, you click Done, and here is all your installed plugins. First thing I want to notice is that make sure that your plugin is on latest version. Currently you see here that it is on version 101. Now let's do a connection to our application. Here I have my wallet, it is a test wallet on testnet. Let's add a button. Click on the button element, add it on the page. Let's say connect wallet. Here is our button and let's open it in workflow. Here all the logic happens. Here we can tap search in this input for connect. First thing we have to do is to add MyAlgo element on the page, of course. So add the plugin element on the page, and here in the plugin element we see a drop down that we can choose from mainnet or testnet. My wallet is on testnet, so I will choose the testnet. How to change it dynamically I will show you later in this video. For now let's use the testnet. So let's go to workflow again, button, and search for connect MyAlgo. You can find it in the elements actions and connect to MyAlgo. That's basically it. Now, how do we see that if we are connected? Let's add a text under the button where we will show the current connected wallet address. Let's delete it. Here we can insert dynamic data. Choose the plugin element, that is MyAlgo, and here we can see the plugin so-called states. So plugin have some information that it can publish. For example, it is the connected wallet address. Let's add it here, so we will see the address that was connected. Additionally, we can add below MyAlgo, let's say connected wallet name. So we will see the address and the name. Now to open the application that we have built here, just click on the preview and your application will open in a new tab. So for understanding, this is your application from the inside in the editor mode, and this is the application that the final user will see. Okay, now let's try it. Connect my wallet, and here you can see it works automatically. A pop-up with MyAlgo will open to ask us the password. Connect. Here we need to choose an account like usual. And here we are connected. Here is my address. Let's see, started CW and same here, CW. Account 1, that is correct. Okay, we are now connected, so we can do more interesting stuff. First thing, I want to show you how you can show or hide some data or elements on your page, and depending on if the wallet is connected or not. We will add a group, let's say connected. So this group will be shown only when the wallet is connected. By default, we will make this group to be invisible, so it is not visible when page loads. And let's add here. Alright, we have a secret message. Let's make this group with border so we can see it. And now if we'll refresh the page, we won't see the group. As you can see, the message is hidden. Now we can add conditional to show, hide, or do anything else with our group depending on this condition that we'll define here. Now let's select MyAlgo. So when connected wallet address is not empty, so the wallet was connected, so wallet address is not empty, then this element is visible, is true. Refresh the page. And here is our secret message. Now let's add a button to disconnect our wallet. Let's say disconnect, open an workflow, and element actions, disconnect MyAlgo. Refresh the page and disconnect. Done. As you can see, the group disappeared. Also, the state with our connected address and account name is also empty. Let's refresh the page. Yep, it's empty. Now let's connect again. Insert the password, unlock, and here is the secret message. Here is our wallet address. Now, what else can we do, right? I will add a button that says sign me. This will sign a message and we will have the signature that we can use. Now let's add a text here. Insert dynamic data, select the MyAlgo, and here is the state signature that will have the, signature after the user will sign this message. I'll open this in workflow, start edit workflow, and again, element actions, sign MyAlgo. Welcome to my app. So the user will see this message when he will click the sign me button and sign me. Yep, as you can see, you can review the data, and here is the text message, welcome to my app, and insert the password, continue, and here is the signature that we can use later to verify this signature. Let's do it right now. Verify signature. Open in workflow and verify signature. To verify, we need the original message that was signed. So let's copy it from here and paste it here. Here I'll insert the dynamic data from MyAlgo, which was signature, so the signed signature. And now to see the result of this action, I'll add another text that contains the result. So signature validated. This is a state that contains yes or no parameter. So we can use this yes or no again to show, hide, or do everything else you may need based on this response, that is it valid or no. Let's do it again. So sign me, password, and verify signature, yes. Now, how to test it if it is correct or no? For this, I will change slightly this signed message. I will add a dot here. That's it. Now let's do it again. Sign me again. I hope you follow me. So verify signature, no. It is incorrect because we have inserted a different message. Same way, if the signature will be different, so if you will change a number anywhere in this signature, again it won't be validated. So the answer will be no. Another interesting feature that I wanted to show is an event. So the plugin has different events. By the way, you can open the plugin description, and here you can see everything that this plugin can do. So all the events it has and all the actions. In the workflow, we can add it here. So elements, when the MyAlgo plugin will trigger the event wallet connected, we can choose a color here, so we can navigate to another page. So the plugin connected on this page, then he will be redirected to a new page, let's say up. This is a new page. I will add the text here to see that this is welcome to my app. Here is another page and we are on index. When the event connected is triggered, go to page up. Let's try it. Now, if I'll refresh the page, let's see what will happen. As we can see, we are redirected automatically because by default we are already connected. Now, let's disable this for now. Go back. Refresh please and go back to index page. I'll disconnect. So I want to show you how it happens when you connect it from the beginning. Sorry, I forgot to remove the disable workflow. My bad. Let's disconnect again and refresh the page. So connect the wallet, insert the password, unlock, and here we are in our app page. Welcome to my app page. Now let's check the user balance. Firstly, I will move my account to testnet. Now, instead of go to page, I will do another action that will verify algo balance for the connected wallet address. So choose the algo balance. In the address field, insert dynamic data and choose the current connected wallet address. You can insert here any other algo address and check it. Now let's add another text here and balance, insert dynamic data, MyAlgo, and here is the result of this action, balance algo. We are on the page up. Let's go back to index page. And here is the balance. So 489, 489. That is correct. Also, I wanted to choose you how to dynamically change the network. So it is the same way as we did for our group that is hidden. In our plugin element, go to conditional, add a condition here. So there it can be a drop down. For example, the user can change it for himself, like you can do in your wallet. So a drop down that contains testnet and mainnet. That's the choice. Default one will be the testnet. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and choose MyAlgo back, and now let's add the condition. So when the drop-down value is mainnet, then network will be mainnet. Now add another condition. Let's copy this condition. Condition, by the way, can be copied and inserted in another field, and change the mainnet to testnet. Oops, sorry, testnet. And network is testnet. Just like that. Refresh the page. Now let's change it to mainnet. And we can see it automatically run the event wallet connected, and it performed the action get balance, which is one algo that I have on mainnet. So on mainnet, my balance is one Algorand. As you can see, it is correct. Now I want to show you how to use the demo page. Every plugin out there will have a demo page. You open this demo, and all demo pages have a button to open this application in the app editor. So here is the demo page, and here is the button app editor. If you open it, it seems like it's empty, right? That's because it also have hidden groups that are shown only when the wallet is connected. Here you can see all the groups on this page, all the elements, they are named. If you will choose the group connected, it will be shown to you. That's how you can use MyAlgo plugin. Join our Discord. There are a lot of no-code enthusiasts right here. We are discussing stuff and helping each other. Every plugin has its own channel where we can discuss various problems and issues and help each other on how to solve them. Thank you for watching this tutorial and good luck!